Who's that on the phone? Who is that? Daddy, say something. Who is that, Keller? Is that Daddy in the telephone? Do you wish you could eat that phone? Are you still there?
Yeah, I should really put the phone down. I'm driving. It's illegal here.
Okay. I love you.
I'll call you when we get to Dodge.
Okay. Call my cell phone, sweetie.
Love you, Keller.
Love you. Bye. Bye, Daddy.